Hi Leo, welcome back. Today's show is shaping up to be an epic disaster. I say that a lot, but I think today is absolutely true because it's a dumb idea compounded on top of a corporation that I generally avoid. That being Dunkin Donuts. I don't really care for Dunkin Donuts. I'd rather go to Starbucks or I'd rather go to Krispy Kreme. Their donuts they're fine. They taste like a corporation, but they're sugary and they do what they're supposed to do. I think possibly their donuts are better with coffee. I don't drink coffee, so I wouldn't know. But let me know if you have any experience with that. But I don't know where they came up with this idea. But for Halloween, they've decided to take a donut and put ghost peppers on it. And I don't. Now, if you've seen this show before, you know I don't have a lot of luck with spicy things. If you saw the Reaper Ranch from Taco Bell, or if you saw the sriracha chocolate, you know that I don't have much good luck with spice. So that's why this thing that's why this thing does not promise to bode well. I could I could set my hair on fire. I don't know. I I'll say this: it's pretty. It is. It's pretty. I have no idea, but this is a ghost pepper donut from Dunkin' Donuts, and I put this on Facebook and I said, "Would you try it?" The negative response was overwhelming, but I guess I should eat this thing. How do you put ghost peppers on a donut? Why would you put ghost peppers on a donut? Okay, time to set my face on fire. Bon appetit. Waiting for the spice. Waiting for the spice. Anytime now. Waiting for the spice. 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 Here, boy. Nothing. It tastes like there's a little bit in there, but it's like having a mouthful of pepper. It's not shedding skin off my tongue like I thought it would. It's just kind of well, it's a good donut. It's a cakey donut. That's what it tastes like, but you get a little bit of a peppery taste, and then it goes away. You're not getting much from it. I really did. I expected something like the Reaper Ranch, where it was like it burned my taste buds and then went up into my sinus cavity. That's what I was expecting from this, and I'm not getting it. I'm getting like a mouthful of black pepper. Dunkin' Donuts, you've done it again. It's it's a nice C minus. It's not terrible. Just it it just tastes like it's apologizing to me. Anyway, that's the donut, the Reaper Ranch, the Ghost Pepper. What did I say? Reaper. The Ghost Pepper Dunkin' Donuts donut. That's it. See you some other time.